That's it.
Hello, boy. Ready? Now do his chest so it goes. There we go.
Good boy. Yeah.
That's a good dog. You're gonna catch the ball now, aren't you, dog?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do a good catch. Try again. Come on. Do a really, really small one so he gets it. Yeah, no, do it.
Okay.
Go, Miles.
Right,
Do it.
ready?
Do the tag.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Shit. They're leading us to a pot of gold. Oh no.
He hasn't done that. Hey, he dropped that one.
Yes. Oh no, he'll come back to it though. No, yes. This is brilliant. Oh. Oh no. Oh, he's gone home. Left his ball at home. Oh, that's a shame.